More guys, no be small thing. Welcome back to another of my videos. So I will play the rest of the clip for you guys to see the omah Davido and Chioma had in Texas yesterday. Chioma and Davido and the rest of the crew were outside yesterday to celebrate one of the richest billionaire in Warri. Talking about Chief Ayeri. Ayeri turned 50 years yesterday, and Davido, Chioma, and the rest of the crew was outside to support and to celebrate with him. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Tell me what you think at the comment section and don't forget to subscribe.
How are you? Yes, wonderful. Look at flying. My team! You're welcome! You're welcome! You're welcome! Now so okay, lève-toi, d'ailleurs, d'ailleurs, man, now so,